What's going on, Mullenaires? Welcome back to the channel. I hope y'all had a good weekend, unwind, to recharge those batteries, get back to this barcode bonanza we got going on right now. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so you get more content coming from me. Just want to give y'all my thoughts and opinions on the latest press release on Mullen Automotive and what I think we got rocking to move forward. Mullen Automotive eliminates $17.5 million in debt and in best financial health in company history. Mullen announced on Tuesday through a press release that it has reduced its total debt by nearly $17.5 million. This brings the company's outstanding debt to about $11 million, which is only a third of the total debt the company had on its balance sheet at the end of 2021. Mullen has been doing an excellent job of strengthening its financial position as the EV maker ramps up production of its 5 crossover EV model that is set to hit the U.S. markets in 2024. Now let's brief on that. I'm a CEO. Let's fine tune the product so that it can be to satisfaction to the customer. Meanwhile, let's set up tour dates for the Mullen 5 EV crossover to be worldwide. Also, in the meantime, let's try to eliminate some debt, get our balance sheet in order. That's what companies do. That's what CEOs focus on for a long-term progression for a business. So keep all of this in mind. We continue to make great progress on our overall company financial health, said David Mishery, CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive. This recent elimination of debt makes us financially stronger now, allowing the company to maintain its focus on its various EV initiatives. Now we're here back at $1. I told y'all before that $1 is a huge psychological price point, as well as $2. Being above $1 is we're on offense, below it we're on defense. We're teeter-tottering all the time at $1 or just slightly below $1 just to put fear in retail investors. And we also know that market makers and short sellers are still trying to take advantage of the price as long as they can push the narrative about CEO not releasing a PR about Fortune 500. They're going to continue to try to break us down with this price action and try to get people to sell because they know that is already in the atmosphere for Mullen Automotive shareholders. Now we know there's buying pressure on the sideline for Mullen Automotive at $1 and below $1, but what's really going on with this dollar price? There's a chart from back in May that I posted a while ago. We ran up at this dollar level back in May, up to around $4. And now, since after it's been shorted down, we keep revisiting this dollar level after each spike. And the articles out there are saying that retail is selling every rip. So the chart I've heard tells a story. The chart looks like retail is selling every rip, but we know that's not what's happening right now. Another thought that came to mind, just my personal thought, is that when we're hovering just under $1, I know for my brokerage app, if you're under $1, you have to purchase at least 100 shares. You can't buy 1, 5, 10 shares like that if you were above $1. Is that a strategic plan as well for these market makers and short sellers to keep us just under $1 so we have to buy more shares at a time? Are they trying to keep the price stagnant and exhaust our funds for the ones that have been in this play for a while and are continuously buying the dip? All in all, I think the CEO is making some good moves. The CEO cannot focus on squeezing his stock because he could face some consequences for that. So he's going to focus, he's going to do the right thing and focus on the company in the long run, doing things that he can to build up and progress the company as a whole. But we know that the short-term moves that he makes that get released on press can bring in a lot of buying pressure. So that's what we're waiting on now. Keep these things in mind moving forward. I hope y'all find this information valuable. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what y'all think. I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm gone.